Section 1. Walls. To begin creating walls, navigate to the Architecture tab and select the Wall tool. Select the type of wall you want to create from the drop-down list in the Properties panel. You can choose from several wall types, including interior and exterior walls, furring walls, generic or X-type walls, as well as wainscot and curtain walls. Once you've selected the type of wall you want to create, use the sketch tools in the Draw ribbon. Click on the location where you want to place the wall. Here you can create a wall by either drawing a straight line, creating a room with a rectangle tool, or locating the wall by tracing over line work. Afterwards, you can adjust the length, the height of the wall using the grips or temporary dimensions that appear on the wall. To modify the properties of the wall, select the wall and navigate to the Properties panel. Walls can either be constrained to a level or unconnected. If connected, you can specify an offset above or below the level. If unconnected, you can specify the height. Similar functionality consists at the base. It's also important to remember to set your new wall to the proper phase. If a new wall, set it to new construction. If existing, set it to existing. You can also set the phase in which the wall will be demolished. Not all walls will be orthogonal in elevation. To create walls with variable profiles, there are a couple different methods you can use. One way is by attaching or detaching its face to adjacent geometry. Take this roof for example. You can use the Attach Top or Base tool to quickly extend your wall up to the bottom of the sloped roof. Be aware that by deleting the geometry that it is attached to, it will reset its profile. Likewise, you can simply press Detach Top and Base Lastly, you can select the Edit Profile tool to sketch out the profile you want. Use the View Cube to give yourself a better view of the elevation. Want to go back? Simply press Reset Profile. To create a new wall type, you can duplicate an existing wall type and give it a new unique name using ArcSign's naming standards. In this case, we will be duplicating an A3 wall. Go to the Edit Type tab and press Duplicate and give it a new name but you can leave the overall dimension for now. Once created, you can then edit the structure of the wall. In this case, we will be adding 1-inch wood panel to one side of the wall. Insert the new finish, select the material, and give it its proper thickness. Now we know the new overall thickness of the wall. You can then update the name with the proper thickness. Click OK, and now you have your new wall type. Section 2. Doors and Windows. To add doors to your walls, select the Door tool and click on the location where you want to place the door. By hovering over a wall and plan, you will see that the door will gravitate from one side of the wall to the other. You can also hit spacebar to flip the swing of the door. Notice that the dimensions will change incrementally. You can then adjust the size and positioning using the grips and temporary dimensions. To relocate your door, select Pick a New Host. Similarly, to add a window, select the Window tool and choose the window type you'd like to use. Then place it in the model. Afterwards, be sure to double check the sill height before moving on.